Hello guys, welcome to the video tutorial of trading Armour. Guys, this is the best indicator right now in the market. Second by second you witness the power of trading Armour. Look at these signals, the way they are going. In this video, I'm going to explain each of these signals, each of the indicators that include in this trading suite. Okay, so let's start the video. So I'm going to start with trading Armour A+. In this indicator you get buy and sell signals and EMA ribbon. Buy and sell signals shows when to enter the trade, and this EMA ribbon shows how to use this indicator. Okay, how to use these buy and sell signals for your trades. As you can see, when the ribbon is green, what you will do, you will take most of these buy signals. Ignore sell signals when ribbon is green. Okay, when ribbon is red, what you need to do, take most of these sell signals, ignore buy signals. Okay, right now we are on buy signals. Ribbon is green. Whenever buy flag will pop up, you are going to take buy trade from here. Okay, not sell trade. But when ribbon turns red, then you are going to trade sell signal. Okay, so that's how it works. From this candle, I think the ribbon is going to turn red, and from here you are going to take sell signals from now on. See, let's move on to our second indicator, which is trading Armour SR. By SR we mean support and resistance. It also includes end sell and end buy signals. When I started this video, you saw this end buy signal pop up, and then from a few more candles price start to go down. That's what it means from end sell also. Whenever price hits a major support zone, that's when you see end sell signal, and when price hits major resistance zone, then you see end buy signal. And then when price crosses the major support or resistance, you see candles closes above these important resistances, price goes even up. Okay, and then you will see more end buy or end sell signals whenever price hits major support or resistance. So let's move on our third indicator, which is trading Armour B+. So what you get in trading Armour B+, you get this RSI line. RSI it's not an ordinary RSI. This is a special RSI indicator including in this suite. Okay, which will tell you red zone will tell you sell signal, and green will tell you buy entry. Okay, and whenever this RSI crosses this resistance line, green dotted line, it shows the overbought position. Whenever it crosses below the red line, it shows oversold positions, which is why you see price reverse from here, from overbought and oversold. Okay, it also shows you divergence. You can see divergence from RSI here, it's lower, and from here it's up. Okay, you see divergence here, and then price start to go up. Okay, and then after that you also see divergence below here. That means price is going down from this point to this point. Okay, this indicator, guys, works with all assets in the world: forex, stocks, crypto, or anything, any asset or any stock in the world. Okay, look, price is hitting this major support zone, support line, and you see N by 6. Let's see if it's hold on or reverse. It's reversing. Okay, so let's move on to our second feature of this B plus wave. In second feature of this B plus wave, you see white, light blue or blue waves. Okay, so whenever this light blue wave crosses above from the zero line, crosses below this dark blue area, price goes down. Okay, and it pops red dots when it shows price is going to down. Okay, whenever white area is hidden behind the blue, it shows price is going up from here. Okay, and it will show you green dot here. So that's how it works. You can also count divergence from here. Let me show you real quick. It is whenever the bigger wave, okay, you see a bigger wave from behind and small wave in the front above the zero line, you see a negative divergence. And whenever you see a bigger wave from down and then you see a small wave above, okay, you see small wave in front below zero line, then you see price go straight up. Okay, see divergence, see green dot, big wave, small wave, divergence, price going few candles up. Okay, and then you see a divergence from here to price going down. Okay, so that's how it works. You also see a blue yellow area and this green area. So this yellow area and this trend line, they work same. Okay, but they are not the same indicators, they are different. You get best of everything in this trading suite. Everything, all the indicators available in TradingView, I got the best of them combined in 3 indicators, and you only need free account in TradingView to get these 2. No need to pay them. So let's move on. You see this green waves area, okay, and red is, you see this red area, it shows money leaving the market, and green shows money incoming the market. So when money is coming in the market, you see a pump or market hanging in some sort of support zone. Let's draw a support line. I will start to continue this line, this support zone. I will start to continue from here again. Okay, as long as it holds supports and the money flow is positive, you see upside moves. Look at the volume, look at the move. Okay, whenever the wave is red, okay, money is leaving the market, you see ribbon turns green and price going down so much. Just let me show you an example. Look, money is leaving the market, ribbon is completely red, we have big spikes downwards, money is leaving the market, sellers are in control. So just see what I was talking about, the money flow incoming into the market. And the one last thing is this yellow area. Whenever the yellow area is above the zero line, then you see price goes upwards. When it crosses below zero, price goes below. Price goes below. Okay. And the one last thing is this star. Let me show you in higher time frame. I'm using 20 minutes chart now. Chart. So whenever you see a big dump in the market, you see this, green rising star. What it means, it means the sellers are going to exhaust very soon. Prepare for reversal from here. Okay, you see a green rising star and reversal, green rising star and reversal. And there is one more tool that is called alpha. I already explained in my second video. You will see next to my website, next to this video. Okay, so let's continue with some other pairs like GBP. Let's see a live chart. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video and you like this tool. Now hurry up and go to my website. If you want to get this tool, just visit this website tradingarmour.com and you fill the form, watch these instructions or features, fill the form here, right here after the payment, and then this indicator is yours. By the way, one more thing, let me show you how to add these indicators to your chart. Okay, I removed all the indicators. So first you go to indicators, then you click on invite only scripts. You add these indicators in your chart by clicking only once. Okay, that's how it works. Okay guys, see you next time. Thanks.